Right, what I've done is I've countersunk the holes behind the Z rails so that they lay flat on this plate. Right, so now the next thing I have to do is mark out for the ball screws bearings, which one will be there, which will take this bearing, and then there'll be another one on the bottom which then will take this bearing, which in between those will be the ball screw for the Z movement. So I'll get on and do that. I've finished the X carriage with the Z rails and bearings and the Z screw, ball screw. I'll just put a drill on it and make sure I got some movement there. Lovely. And the other way. That's lovely. Right, the next job I got to do is make the Z carriage, which bolts onto these bearings and this nut for the up and down movement, and on the bottom of that will be mounted the spindle. So as you've got the Z movement, it will move the spindle up and down.